Good morning, students. Today we are going to see fifth chapter from first unit, that is seeing eyes, helping hands. Okay, students, in this topic we will get to learn that there are different types of invitation. Okay, whenever there is a function or something in our house, then we will invite all the people, okay, by three invitation types. The first is formal invitation. Second is whenever we want to give some notice in schools, then we will put that on the notice board. So second is a written notice. Third is oral invitation, formal oral invitation, and fourth is informal oral invitation. Okay, so we will get to know all these things from this chapter. Okay, so in this video we will see the first formal invitation. Okay, so let's start. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. So, students, here one school, New Vision High School, is mentioned. Okay, and in that school, one project Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands is scheduled. Okay, seeing eyes helping hands means giving eyes to the one who need it and giving hands to the one who need it. That means to help the needy people. Okay, so this project is about that. So through this project the school is trying to uh, trying to make know their students about their social responsibilities. Okay, so they have scheduling this project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Okay, it was getting late for sending out the invitations. So for this project they were arranging an inauguration function. Okay, and for that function the school wants to invite some people. Okay, they wants to invite some respected people, and also they want to invite the class or class students and their parents. Okay, so for that they need to send the invitations. Okay, but it was getting late for sending that invitations. At last the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. So at last, the principal of that school herself prepared the formal invitations. So students, there are two types of invitations, okay, or sometimes there are two types of letter writing also, okay, formal and informal. So informal, what we do? We write letters to our teachers, or uh, for some official purpose we write letter, then it is called formal. And when we write letters to our relatives, our family members, our friends, then it come under informal. Okay, so here they are sending the uh, invitation to some authorities, okay, to some respected person. It is a official invitation, so it comes under the formal invitation. The art teacher and her students made copies of it. So the school principal have prepared invitations, and then the art teacher and students have made copies of it. Here is a sample of what they did. So this is the sample, okay, of a formal invitation letter. So students, in our house also, if there is a function, there is a marriage, or there is a birthday ceremony, or inauguration of the house, then we prepare invitation letters, no, then we print that and we will we send that to our relatives. Okay, so sometimes we send that by courier, or sometimes we go to their homes and then give that to them. Okay, to invite them. So in marriage invitation letters also some details are highlighted. Okay, such that name of bride and groom. Okay, their name of their parents and the time and venue of the marriage. So all these details are mentioned in that invitation letter. So when someone sees that invitation letter, then there is no need to ask anything to the invitee. Okay, we will get all the information from that invitation letter. So in the same way, the principal have prepared the formal invitation letter. So let's see that letter. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands at the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 am to 11 am, Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School off Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School. V.S. Ajinkya, Teacher in Charge, SEHH, means Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, Student Secretaries, SEHH, Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. Okay, so students, when you see this invitation letter, you will get each and every information, okay, minute details about that project. Okay, that what is the name of the project, okay, who is going to inaugurate that, okay, which are the great authorities which are invited, okay, who are the guests, the time of the inauguration ceremony, venue, and who is the host of all this ceremony, and who is the teacher in charge, who is the who are student secretaries. So you will get to know all the information, okay, related to that inauguration. So you can see here, we solicit means to formally ask for help. So the principal is requesting, okay, asking for help to the respected persons, okay, to whom she is giving invitation. Okay, so he is giving respect to him. She is humble. Okay, so she is requesting your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Okay, so here the name of the project is highlighted, okay, because it is the important thing, no? So it is in a different color and also highlighted. At the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik. So it is also important that who is going to inaugurate that function? Srimati Vimla Naik. Okay, and below her more information about her is given. Okay, so who was she? She was the former principal of New Vision High School, and now she is the president of Sahayak Samaj. So she is going to inaugurate that function. Function is to be inaugurated by her hands. Okay. So this is information about inauguration. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean. So Dean is a highest authorized person in any medical college or medical. So who is their Dean? Dr. A.M. Chaudhary. and below the more information about him is given. New Life Medical College and Hospital has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Preside means to be in charge of a formal meeting. Okay, so or ceremony. So he is in charge of this ceremony. So he was kindly agreed to take in charge of the function. Okay. So he is a dean of that college and hospital, and he is taking in charge of the whole function. Okay. So where this inauguration is to be taken? Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. So it is the venue, okay, of that function. And at what time? 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday, 9 July 2017. So each and every detail about this inauguration ceremony is given in this invitation card. Okay. Now Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School. So who is the host of this whole inauguration ceremony? Suhasini Ambekar. She is the principal of New Vision High School. She only prepared this formal invitation. Okay. V.S. Ajinkya, teacher in charge. So who is teacher in charge of this project? V.S. Ajinkya. And who are the student secretaries? Komal Shelar and Nitin Walke. So you can see here, students, you will get to know every information about that inauguration ceremony. Okay, so this is perfect invitation letter, and this is better than any other invitation. Okay, as we get to know all the information about the invitation, and after seeing this invitation letter, we don't need to ask anything to anyone, okay, about time or venue or anything. So this is all about a formal invitation. So in next video we will see other types of the invitation letters. Okay, thank you.